Hey there. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to post a new thread on Android using the Threads app. Posting a new thread is a great way to share your thoughts, ideas, and experiences with your friends and family. So without further ado, let's get started. Step 1. Download and install Threads app. Firstly, make sure that you have downloaded and installed the Threads application on your Android smartphone. If you haven't already done so, head over to the Google Play Store and search for Threads from Instagram. Once you find the app, download and install it on your device. Step 2. Log in to Threads app. Now that you have installed the app, open it up and log in using your Instagram account details. You'll be prompted to grant the app certain permissions, such as access to your camera and microphone. Make sure you grant these permissions so that you can use the app's features. Step 3. Start a new thread. To post a new thread, choose from down below the plus icon to start a new thread. Step 4. Write your post. Once you've started a new thread, you can write whatever you want to post. You can include text, emojis, and even photos and videos. Step 5. Tap Done. Once you've finished writing your post, tap Done to publish it to your thread. Step 6. Share your thread. Your new post will now be visible in your thread. You can share it with your friends and family by tapping the Share icon. And that's it. Posting a new thread on Android using the Threads app is quick and easy. So give it a try, and let us know how it works for you in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.